If you have ever wondered what to do with leftover chapati dough, here's a sweet surprise for you. We are making soft steamed coconut jaggery bites, all without a drop of oil. Hello and welcome to my kitchen, Simply Grace's Kitchen. This recipe is quick to make and needs only a handful of ingredients you already have at home. Since it is steamed and oil-free, it is a healthy choice for both kids and adults. The combination of jaggery and coconut gives it a natural sweetness and rich flavor. You can enjoy it fresh or store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. It is the perfect way to turn leftover chapati dough into a delicious homemade snack. This morning I needed chapati dough for breakfast, but a little was left over. So I thought, why not turn it into a sweet twist? I rolled the leftover dough into small balls, shaped them into long rolls, and snip them into bite-sized pieces with scissors, as you can see. Then I steamed them for 8 to 12 minutes until perfectly cooked. Meanwhile, in another pan, I stir in 1.5 cups of fresh grated coconut until it loses a little of its moisture. I added about 4 tablespoons of jaggery syrup and stirred it until the mixture thickened and came together nicely. Then I added about 3/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and gave it a good mix. Thank you for continuing to watch. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more recipes. Now let's check on the dough bites. Here's one perfectly cooked. As I was excited to show you, it slipped right out of my hand and fell into the coconut mix. A little blooper moment, right? But that's fine because the bites have to go into the coconut mix anyway. Finally, I added the soft steamed dough bites into the sweet coconut jaggery mix. Stirring gently until every piece was coated. And there it is, our delicious no oil snack made from leftover chapati dough. Friends, try this with your leftover chapati dough and enjoy a healthy treat. I hope you like this video. Friends, don't forget to like and leave a comment. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Until my next video, happy cooking and take care.